We're going to show everybody your collection of feathers? Huh? What is it? Are those yours? Hold on, we got to open it up. Just a minute. Okay, you ready? Because we're going to make something special out of it. Oh my goodness. No, peekaboo. That's all yours. Did you see it? We're going to show everybody how beautiful it's going to turn out. Yeah, are you excited to see? It's going to be part of you that I'm going to have forever and ever and ever. Okay? Oh. Feathers are used in a number of decorative products such as masks, feather fans, costumes, accessories, and so much more. In this video, I will show you what I have done with all of Ricco's feathers that I have accumulated over the years and how to do it yourself. The most important thing you will need are your bird's feathers, in all shapes and sizes, including even the little ones. If your bird has multiple colors, use those as well. You will also need a pine cone or something that will hold the feathers in place. I just got this from the dollar store and simply place it in a little cup just to hold it. You will also need a vase or a cup of some sort just for the finishing product. Glue is optional, but it will help to hold the feathers in place. I just simply used plain white glue. You will also need something to place a glue on the feathers and in the spot as well. Lastly, you will need some paper towels to wipe off any extra glue and to avoid making a mess all over the place. Figure out how you want to place the feathers, color patterns, as well as the length of feathers by playing around with them. There is no wrong way, just go with how you like it. Once you have decided how you want it to look, now you can start with the glue if you want them to hold better and in place. Just use a small amount of glue on each feather and in the spot. Continue this until all feathers are done. Lastly, just do a one kind of look over to see if there are any spots you want to fill in with extra feathers. And that's pretty much it. Let the glue dry. Now you have a beautiful decorative piece of your bird to keep for yourself or to give as a gift. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for future videos. Also, I would love to hear what ideas others have used for their birds' feathers. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Say bye, Ricco. Bye for now.